A check, check, check. A check, check, check. A check, check. Extreme reverb. How's it going, everyone? About to go live on our 2013 Spectra break. Got our divisions in order. Just printing out the team list or division list right now. And of course, didn't print out right. Now we're out of paper. Just 1 second, we'll get ripping here in a couple minutes. Wait for people to get in right now. Just gotta get a team list going. Get this ripped before football starts so you guys can all watch if that's what you're doing. Okay, well, I guess that'll do. Barely any ink on the page. Hey, we got anyone in here yet? Looks like not. Give it another minute here and then I'll rip it and we'll get it up on YouTube for you guys to watch. Looking for some 2013 big hitters. Le'Veon Bell, Lacey, Jordan Reed, Terrence Williams, Ertz, Eifert, DeAndre Hopkins. A few other good ones there. Jamie Collins, my Patriots. There's also some big vet hits and stuff in there. Spectra, occasionally you get those. Hope we get something sweet. Yeah, looks like we got someone in here. Roger, what up, Roger? Now that we got someone watching, we can rip it up. We'll get her going here. I was just saying, we got 12 hits in here. 6 autos, 2 on card, and then six memorabilia cards. Lots of vets are memorabilia cards. We'll see what we can get though. There we go. 6 autos, 6 mem. Best of luck, everyone. Roger, good luck. Thanks for filling her up so quick. These little divisional breaks are cool. I think maybe some of you guys thought it was 2016. That's maybe why it filled up so quick. But yeah, this was 2016 Spectra. It'd be like triple the price. But here we go. Let's see what, I can't remember what like the pack setup was in this. 6 packs looks like. 2 hits a pack probably. Five cards per pack. Yeah, 30 total cards. There's our absolute boxes. Break those when it's all filled up. So many cords. Okay, let's get these going. Just open these up real quick. I think they might actually be loose right in the box. I can't remember. No, they're in little packs. Get all the little packs out and then we'll start ripping it. I don't want to reveal the cards too quickly. There's a card sitting up on top. Looks like most of them have been base stuff. Six total packs. Best of luck to everyone. Almost got this last one open. We'll start with this guy here. All the little guys are open. Here we go. First pack. Just hit a nice jersey and a mixer break. Nice, nice. It's hard to tell like who really had anything in this. Dan, AFC South. It's like the one line I can barely read. Let's see how this goes here. Keenan Allen up on top. Rookie of the Week, Pepsi sort of thingy there. City Limits, Cordell Patterson. Rookie card. And we probably have a first hit right here. Derek Johnson, Chiefs. The Cordarrelle's out of 99. First hit, Derek Johnson, Chiefs. AFC West, Lorenzo. Let's see, we'll set this next card back there. So we don't see it just yet. Oh, we're getting sleeved up. Derek Johnson's probably at a 199. Looks like a sort of basic one. At a 299. Derek Johnson for the Chiefs. Lorenzo's grabbing it. Next one we got a Kyrie Robinson Saints auto. JTC's grabbing that one at a 299. Kyrie, he could be active still somewhere. A couple more cards here. Looks like just base stuff. Eddie Royal, Chargers. Bears now, but this will be going to the Chargers. And we got a Randall Cobb base card as well in the first pack. Okay, keep it going. Get these base up top. Now we know we got base on the bottom. Mike Wallace, Dolphins, base card. Steve Johnson, Bills. We got Megatron, looks like a refractor here, or parallel. At a 99, 94 out of 99, on the bottom left. Megatron for the Lions. And our first patch auto, Tyler Wilson, Raiders. Again, Lorenzo grabbing it. Two-color patch auto out of 99, Tyler Wilson. Lorenzo's got 2 hits. Nice looking cards. We got another patch auto, this time for the Skins, Chris Thompson. NFC East going to TJ. Back up to Matt Jones. It's probably out of 99. Let's see what that is. Maybe 199. 99. Chris Thompson. There's 2 patch autos. We've got 3 autos so far. Looking for 3 more autos. And then the rest patches. Looking for our on-card autos, both of them. Jets cards up on top, may have seen it. Go through our base. Smith, Alex Smith. Ray Rice. Santonio Holmes red. Parallel here. Let's see what we got behind it though. Got a nice Le'Veon and Wheaton dual patch here. Let's just see what its numbering is first before we reveal the auto. I think it's auto. It's out of 49. Marcus Wheaton and Le'Veon Bell. Nice blue refractoring on that. And we got a Patriots. Oh, it's actually signed by the Jets, New York Jets. Zach Sudfeld. AFC East though, so same person getting it. Rogers getting it. At a 299 basic auto, Zach Sudfeld. And we'll sleeve up this Le'Veon and Wheaton duel. A nice Steelers card. Santonio was out of 25 for the Jets. Going to Roger as well. Get 3 more packs. Nice. Laquan Treadwell, Dan. Yeah, I got skunked big time in a Origins break with the Vikings. Was hoping for something sweet from him, but David Wilson base card. Josh Gordon. Gillislee numbered card. And out of 49 to Gillislee. Vincent Jackson. Don't know what this is. This might be number 2. No, just a normal one. It's like pink, sort of pinkish. And the next hit, so low numbered patch here, Tavon Austin Rams. Adam Rochelle. Let's see what we got here. Let me just put this other card to the side. At a 25, number 1. Number 1 out of 25, Tavon. It's a nice looking card. Piece of the Ram action. Adams grabbing it. Number 1 out of 25, Tavon, 3-color. Nice. Next one we have for the Panthers, Kenjon Barner, green. 3 out of 5 autograph. Panthers, JTC grabbing it. NFC South. Kenjon out of 5. He's still kicking around somewhere. Okay, 2 more packs left. Get these base out of the way. Best of luck. Just 2 more. Haven't really been keeping track of the hits. I think we still need our on-card autos. Both of them, probably. Bilal Powell, Sam Bradford, Matt McGloin, rookie, Josh Gordon, blue. Let's see what his number is. Out of 99. And we have a Cameron Wake, Dolphins. Let's see what his number is. It's out of 25 as well. Not as nice of a patch, but same numbering as that Tavon. And we'll see what our other hit is. Those are one of our on cards. Mike Glennon. JTC grabbing another one. Back in the day, that was a very nice hit. He's still backing up. I think he's on the Bucks still. Out of 49. 31 out of 49 Mike Glennon auto on card. So we're looking for one more on card auto. Should be. Now we saw those base. Let me just get that. Cameron Wake out of 25 sleeved. Dolphins AFC East. Roger again. Mike Glennon on the Eagles now. Oh, Ken John. That's right. Okay, last pack, everyone. Best of luck. See what we can grab. I think we're looking for our last on-card auto and a patch. Here, let's see. There's a base. Got two big thick cards in here. Chris Johnson. Lamar Miller. Eddie Lacy is up on top. City Limits rookie. Might be numbered. Looks kind of refractory. Yeah, out of 99. Green Bay. We got for the Ravens, Bernard Pierce, one of our last patches. AFC North, Kevin. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nothing too great for our last. I don't know. I guess that's our last auto. Let's see. DJ Hayden. And then last hit, Wes Welker, Broncos. Out of 49, 14 out of 49. Just look through everything, see if we got two on cards. Wes Welker patch out of 49 to the Broncos. Lorenzo again. DJ Hayden. Lorenzo chewing him up. And then Kevin grabbing this Bernard. Just want to see if they gave us two on cards. Do a quick hit recap here. Bernard Pierce patch. DJ Hayden auto. Wes Welker patch. Cameron Wake out of 25. Mike Glennon on card auto out of 49. Ken John Barner out of 5. Tavon out of 25. Marcus Wheaton, Le'Veon Bell out of 49 dual patch. Zach Sudfeld auto, Jets, AFC East. Oh yeah, the Tyler Wilson was our other on card, that's right. Chris Thompson, Redskins patch auto out of 99. Yeah, that's an on card. Tyler Wilson, forgot about him. Yeah, Glennon's still backing up Winston, yeah, that's what I thought. That one's out of 99 as well, the Tyler Wilson for the Raiders. And then Saints, Kyrie Robinson. And first hit, Derek Johnson, standard out of 299. And we had some couple numbered cards and stuff like that. That's that break. Quick little fill and rip. Decent box there, some nice low numbered stuff. No super big autos, but decent box. Alright guys, this will be up on YouTube in a little bit. Enjoy the football. Yeah, thanks Lorenzo, you got some nice hits there. Enjoy the Thursday night football, guys. Thanks for filling her up, and got some teams left in the absolute. Get that filled up here soon. Rip that as well. Thank you all for joining. Have a good night. Take it easy.